Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Fortnite on school computer. Plug a USB with a portable browser and game client, then use allowed network ports and performance tweaks to run smoothly. Keep settings low, close background apps, and use wired Ethernet when possible. Respect school rules and know this may violate policies, so consider asking IT for permission or use approved alternatives to avoid account or device suspension. Use a cloud gaming service to run Fortnite remotely if local install is blocked, sign into a permitted browser, and enable hardware acceleration. Match nearest server regions for low latency and close streaming apps to save bandwidth. Use headphones and a stable connection to reduce lag and packet loss during matches. Always secure your login with two-factor authentication and avoid sharing accounts to keep progress safe and comply with school-acceptable use policies. Quick recommendation and quick pause. If this guide is helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more tips. On another note, try the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for hands-free cleaning. Voice control and smart mapping make tidy rooms effortless, which means fewer distractions during gaming sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Optimize in-game settings for school hardware by lowering textures, disabling shadows, and capping frame rates to ensure stability. Map keys for easy building and reduce input lag by updating drivers or using USB pass-through when possible. Use small mouse DPI and adjust sensitivity to your comfort for better aim. Monitor device temperatures and give breaks to prevent throttling. And consider portable cooling or an external controller, only if allowed by your school policies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.